Hey, what's up guys? What's up YouTube?
My name is Martin and this is my daddy Ray guy.
Hey, and we have here Ryu, of course.
STARWARS.
Yes.
I'm wearing STARWARS. We're wearing STARWARS.
Yes, and again we're back again for another unboxing
We're unboxing Darth Vader.
yes, okay. Of course, yeah, and we're back again for another unboxing and a quick review, right?
Yes.
Of course, in today's video, in today's episode, we're going to do the unboxing of
Darth Vader.
yes, Darth Vader. Yes, of course, yeah, and a quick review. Of course, yeah, we actually picked this up last week.
Oh, so big.
Yeah, I know, so big, right? I cannot even see my face. Yeah, so it's been with us since it's almost a week. Yeah, since last week, it's almost a week. But of course, we don't have that much of. we don't have time to unbox this one. Yeah, we are very excited to open this one, and I'm also very excited to see Darth Vader in 1/4 scale.
Gonna land on my head or no?
Excellent.
Yes, yeah, of course, this is the.
QS.
You can see the box right here. So, Darth Vader, quarter scale,
13. QS
Yeah.
13.
QS 013 or quarter scale number 13. And of course, this is a special edition right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, a boy.
Of course, this is by,
Hot Toys 1/6 scale collectibles.
of course, 1/4 scale collectible figure.
Yeah,
Okay, so very quick. So let's open it from the side, of course. So there you go. You can see right here the face of Darth Vader or the old Anakin Skywalker. Holy, ooh, love this. You guys cannot see it. There you go. The
Extra
figure,
Yeah,
and
it
of
has
course
extra head
the
sculpt.
the extra head sculpt right there.
Let's go.
Bye bye. Say
Not yet.
Yeah, that's it. Bye bye.
And of course, okay, first up, let's take it out. This one
Can
is
I hold it?
head sculpt.
Can I hold it?
Wait,
Anakin
lang.
Skywalker.
Yes.
Or Darth Vader.
Or
Yes, look at that.
exercise.
Wow.
Give me
Scary. Rhea said scary. And next up is of course the body. Ooh, this
For the cape.
for the cape.
Ay,
Yeah,
What?
there you go.
Hold it.
too hard.
His helmet right here, and then of course the extra joints right here, and then underneath that first layer of the box is his accessories. Accessories, of course. This one, yes, his hands or the interchangeable hands, gloves, of course. So 2 pairs. Somehow it's 3 pairs of hands. No, actually it's
No.
yeah, it's just 3 pairs of hands. And with that extra hand, his hand is cut right here. And then next is of course, this one's very big.
Oh yes, the word is
This is like the full package of accessories of this Darth Vader. Yes, there you go, guys. You can see right there.
There we go. Can I see it now?
Yeah, sit down. The base,
The base.
there's like it's like there's 2 types of base. Yeah. So again, this is the batteries, guys. And then this one is I see. So this is like the top part of the base.
Wait, what's
There you go,
this?
you can see right
What's
there.
This? What's this?
Mm-hmm.
What's this and this? What's this?
Yes, there you go, guys. So, so it's not battery operated. So
Oh, yes,
there's
I paid it.
Oh yeah, there is. So it's a AAA right there.
AAA.
I think maybe 2, 3. Yeah, to
Yeah,
light up those. I don't know. I'm not sure.
You don't.
I haven't seen it yet. I haven't checked it yet. So or this one
That.
down there, and then of course this is the base right here
Can you give me?
that you can attach from here. I think. Yeah. So it's right. It's like this one. So it's gonna be really tall. Wait.
Oh,
It's gonna be really tall, guys.
there is
The holder, of course, right here.
Oh, there's a hair.
Something like this.
I see a hair.
You can connect that to base using this clear holder or cylinder. Okay.
Or a base.
And then
wait.
this one is the. I
What's
think also
that?
this one is the whole also. Oh yeah.
No.
It should be this one first.
No, it's not there. Hey, what's
Then
this?
this one. There you go.
Wait, there we go.
Something like this. I just guessed it, so I hope it's right. I'm not really sure. I never really haven't seen any video, but I'm sure you guys watched this already. I'm sure you guys watched other channel reviewing this one or
Yes.
unboxing this one, right?
Yes.
And then of course this one, another base, of course.
Like to put on his helmet.
Yes, to put the helmet or that extra head sculpt. So yeah, there you go, guys. You can see this is the extra base. So at least you can you can use both of them. I mean, you can display both of these head sculpt, the bear one, and of course with the mask, Darth Vader with the mask. All right. So I'm just gonna put right here. There you go. Then next is his lightsaber. There you go, right here. And then some motion lightsaber
The
effect. Yes. There you go, guys. Wow. Really nice. So there is no light up lightsaber.
Yeah, I don't think there is. No, there isn't.
There is.
There is.
Yeah, there is. So there is a light up lightsaber.
Then where do you put the battery?
This one here.
Oh,
Of course you have to
underneath.
open. I thought we're going to change his
The
hands
To
to put the batteries.
Yeah.
And then this one, the holder, or something like this. Yes.
Yeah,
Last
we
but
use
not the
it.
least, the manual right here. Yeah, so then that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so
Not
that's it, guys. Let me remove first protection, the plastic. Oops, ouch. Oops, ouch. Oh, so there's still more cover here at the back of his head. There's still more like a somehow protection. Though this is just like a dummy look of his head. You can still see the back of his head. There is a magnet on the top of his head to put this front helmet.
His cape is very big.
Wait, but it's gonna be weird. Oh, there you go.
There we go. Now time for
Now, this
The-
one.
back.
Here we go. So I just removed those plastic or cover from the figure. So here you go. It's big. It's so big. So this is the base right here, guys. This is very nice, guys. But it's just very tall, very high. I mean, like because of the base, right?
But even without the base, it's still tall.
Look at that, right? So you cannot
Its head
see
got cut off.
Yeah, but anyway, you guys already seen that the head.
Its head went over here.
So there you go. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. That's all you can get from the this
Darth-
box, the special edition. I mean, inside the box, of course. Again, let's review
Darth
it again.
Vader.
So the head, this extra head sculpt, Anakin Skywalker or Darth Vader.
The like mask. for
Yeah, his
breathing.
mask, half mask,
Yeah, for
right?
him to breathe.
And then the extra base. Of course, this base has also a
Light up.
battery operated, so which is there is lights or light up maybe that logo, that first order
And also
logo.
the below it.
Yeah,
And then
maybe, right? And
also
then
the effect.
the effect, of course, with the light up
Saber.
lightsaber right here. There you go. There you go, guys. And then the base, of course, right here is of course also light up. Yeah, the top one right here with the logo of Star Wars and Darth Vader name. We still have some batteries here to put on Darth Vader's chest right here, and also on his belt. So of course, there's a manual right here if you're having a hard time to find out where you're going to put those batteries, or you know, some details about this figure, right? Yeah, so we're gonna do a very quick review. The cape is nice too. It's gold, just like the 1/6 scale too. Yeah, I think almost the same. Yeah, from the belt, from those. Maybe this one is more detailed, more shiny. The color is more strong. You know, those parts
Because
of his body.
It's easier to do because
It's bigger, yes. And maybe the chest, this shoulder armor or chest armor are more shiny. And same with the head. I think almost the same. I think maybe it's the same material that they use. Plastic, just plastic. So everything, I mean, like those parts are, you know, are hard plastic. And yeah, the fabric material for the coat. And yeah, this extra coat right here. I mean, his cape,
Yeah, really
and
good texture.
arms. The inside armor also something like leather, fabric leather material. And this one is more on like rubber material. This one. Yeah, the detail is very nice. The simple one, of course, like the articulation. And yeah, I mean the head, it's okay. You can twist left and right, up and down. You can see right there, right? Left and right. For the leg, yeah, maybe up to there. Oh, okay, we can do more. Oh, yeah, you can do more. There you go. Of course, you have to be careful on
180.
this.
That was like 190.
Yeah, so you have to be careful on this part because this is Velcro.
You can do 90 degrees.
Because earlier, yeah, see, so there is a Velcro right here. You can remove that sheen armor. So you can adjust. Somehow you can adjust this. And yeah, the boots fine too. The leather boots, plastic leather, something like that. And of course the hands, just like the 1/6 scale. Yeah, you cannot. Oh yeah, the 1/6 scale is more soft compared to this one. I mean the 1/6 scale, you can remove his hands, but this one is like one whole, like together with the gloves, right there.
Yeah.
So there you go. You can actually like stand him without the base. So yeah, like I mean, like for me, it's very nice. I mean, it's very nice 1/4 scale. You know, I'm not sure if I'm going to get yeah, Boba Fett 1/4 scale too, right? Of course, because you have already the 1/4 scale Darth Vader. So you know, you might attempt to get the Boba Fett. Of course, that's his partner. It's a very nice figure for 1/4 scale, right? How about you, Martin? What can you say about this figure?
His cape is really nice. The fabric's like really soft, like easy to like pose. Well, not really easy to pose, but like you can wave it around, right, Daddy? And the articulations are really nice. You can like put in one position for like a long time.
Yeah, I think the articulation may be just a simple one.
Yeah,
You can do a simple articulation.
like holding the lightsaber. And the lightsaber effect's really nice also. From the dark to light. And of course the special edition head sculpt, really nice with the scars on the back, very realistic. And even his mask, very realistic. Like, but just by looking, you really know who it is, right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
that's it.
I'm just gonna compare very quick. There you go, guys. So,
Darth Vader and his tiny minion.
yes. So yeah, I think that's it, guys. Just a very quick one. Yeah, I mean, like, this one is very nice. I mean, like, the details, of course. This is actually what I'm waiting for, the head sculpt of Darth Vader, or the old Anakin with scars on it.
From his fight with Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Yeah, you can see the details, guys. So I mean, yeah, right. Of course, the light up again. Yeah, there you go, guys. Yeah, so just a very quick one. So what are you gonna say to them, Martin? I think that's it.
If you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and don't forget to hit that notification bell.
Yes, that button. Yeah, don't forget, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah, peace out. Peace out. Yeah.